reviews.
I feel guilty eating them so much because they come in crazy flavors. Here we have My Neat Nutrition meal replacement bars. Now, the key thing to think about when it comes to meal replacement shakes and bars, they actually have to go through an FDA qualified process to be actually called meal replacement. I've been using these meal replacement bars for the better part of a year now. They do have high protein, which are great. I use these on the run in between meals. 15 grams of protein and 19 vitamins and minerals in every single bar. Caramel cocoa, it literally tastes like a Snickers bar. This one has a variety pack. You've got vanilla, you've got strawberry, you've got all sorts of stuff, and they are absolutely unreal. You feel guilty snacking on them, but you know that they have a full balanced macronutrient breakdown. Medically approved by the Doctors Association as well. They are based in America and are very quick at shipping these out. And if you have a sweet tooth and you want to look for something healthy, I recommend these to anybody.